while hiking in the 80-degree weather on the 18th. We're in Virginia now, and it's been in the high 80s every day this week. First, take your shirt off. Then, find a lovely stream that's flowing. We don't want any floaties. Dip it in. Of course, braver people would just hop in, but I don't do that. Get it good and wet. And if you're really wimpy like I am, bring it out. Because when you put it on, it's cold. And that's the point. For the next couple of miles anyway, of course it cools off. It dries up fairly quickly. But for the next couple of miles, I will be nice and cool. So there you have it. How to stay cool while hiking the AT.